Now I'd like to talk about the new system for doing online discussions. Okay, we're going to change it up just a little bit, and so I'll kind of show you what I have here. Again, we're going to start in 8A. We'll click into our class, whatever it may be, and then you are going to go to our unit that we're currently in, Unit 5, Europe, and I know this is getting repetitive, but I want to show you all how to get where we're going every single time, because you just need to get to these weak folders and you'll have everything you need. Go down to the bottom and you're going to see this next week's folder. So click on it. And again, it's unpublished right now, but it will be published on Monday when you need access to it. I might even publish it a little bit early with just an agenda in it and all of the rest of the things unpublished, just so that you can check it out. But if we look, we should have already learned about how to do some of the circle of power and respect things. However, every single day you're going to notice, do Monday, do Tuesday, do Wednesday, this one's due Thursday. You're going to have an online discussion that you have to do. This is required. We need to have a two-way communication every single day between students and teachers. So I have to communicate with you in some way, whether it's by type or a short video or something like that, and you have to communicate with me by doing this assignment, and I can give you feedback, and now we have a two-way communication, and you are officially not absent from school. You're officially present at school, and that's how attendance has to work. And so these are kind of like attendance assignments. Think of them almost like your do nows, okay, but they're just going to be kind of short little discussions. So I'm going to click on this first one to see how it looks, all right, and I'm going to show you what we're doing that's a little bit different. All right, it's going to come up, and you see, usually I have written a bunch of things, and you have to reply to me, and then you reply to other people. The only difference is here you are creating your own thread. And so you can see the questions that I want are right here, and it asks right here, create a thread to answer one of the following two questions. Your thread must be at least 75 words long. When you submit your thread, you'll be able to see the other threads that everybody else has done, and you need to respond to another student with at least 20 words. Okay, so the questions are, what do you think makes COVID-19 virus so dangerous? And this one gives you a little bit of explanation about something that's happening in the Amazon, and asks, how do you think we can fix it? And so you're going to pick which one of those you want to answer, because it says answer one of the following two. And I think the best thing to do, so that you don't lose it, is to copy that question and start out your post with a paste of that. Now you have to do 75 more words, so you have to take this out of it, but then you'll be able to continue on, and you can say, I think it is dangerous because, you know, X, Y, Z. Make sure you have 75 words in this at least, and then post it. As soon as you post it, you should be able to see all the posts that everybody else has done, and you'll have to do a reply to one of them. So you have to read someone else's and do a response for at least 20 words. And so the only real difference is, instead of just responding, you are creating your own thread, and then you're responding to another one. Now, in each discussion, they'll have different requirements, different word requirements. Some of them are only 50 words. Some of them go up to 100 words. And some of them don't require replies to other students, and some of them do. So read the instruction part before the questions every time, then copy and paste your question in, and then answer it right below that. And you should be good to go. So that's how online discussions are going to work while we are doing distance learning.